In this chapter, we are going to learn what is the debugging, how we are going to apply the debugging into the C#.NET application. Before we are going to proceed to the debugging concepts in the C#.NET, let's try to understand one of the example. In this example, there is one traffic policeman. He is stopping the car near a checkpoint, right? In this checkpoint, he is trying to stop the car and he is inspecting the things in the car. Like he is checking the driver of the driving license or any important documents. In the same way, if the developer wants to inspect the values of the variables while execution of the program, then in that case debugging is useful for to inspect the values of the variables to the developer. Now let's compare this example along with the C# debugging concept. The first thing is here car is moving on the highway, right? The same way, if you compare to the C# debugging concept, there is a C# compiler executes the program at runtime. The way how the car is moving on highway, the same way compiler is executes the program at runtime. Here next point is, in this example, traffic police is monitoring the cars. He is inspecting the things in the car, right? The same way in the C#.NET, by using the debugging, developer monitors the program while debugging. Why monitoring? In the sense, if he would like to inspect the values of the variables, then he has to debug, right? Next thing is, if you observe that there is a checkpoint, right? The same way in the C# debugging, we are having the one kind of a concept called breakpoint. By using the breakpoint, we can pass the program. The way how the traffic police is stopping the car at the checkpoint, the same way we are going to pass the program near at breakpoint. The next point is, police is checking the car details, like he is checking the license and papers, whatever of the car. The same way developer, he is going to be check the values of the variables and what is the program state. He can verify that. Next step is that after verification, the car can continue. The same way, after inspecting the variables, we are going to, developer can resume the program for the execution. The main is thing that police can stop any car at runtime. The same way, developer also can put the breakpoint at anywhere in the program to pass the code. So the conclusion is here that the way how traffic police officer stops, checks and lets the car continue, the same way developer also can put the breakpoints. The developer use the breakpoints to pass the execution of the code and inspect what are the values of the variables, and even he can resume the program execution as well. We will see all these things by using the C# program.